To get your drone up in the air, turn on the motors by pressing both the right and left sticks down and towards the middle. The motors will then start to spin and then wait for your next input. Then press the left stick up and the drone will go up into the air. I usually like to get about 10 feet in the air and then have it hover in place for just a few moments to make sure everything is working just right. To keep the drone from climbing higher in elevation, return the left stick to the neutral position and the drone will just hold in place thanks to GPS. Now with your drone hovering in the air, press the left stick up and the drone will rise. When you pull the left stick down, the drone will go lower. Returning it to the neutral position will keep the drone right where it is. When you push the left stick to the left, the drone will begin to twist to the left and rotate. When you push it to the right, the drone will twist to the right. Now with the right control stick, push it up and the drone will begin to move forward. If you want to bring it back, move the right stick down. If you want to fly it left, move the right stick to the left. If you want to fly it to the right, move the right stick to the right. These are the basic movements of how your drone will fly. When you're ready to fully land, bring the left control stick all the way down for a nice smooth landing. Once your drone is on the ground, pull the left stick all the way down and hold it there for about 3 seconds until the motors turn off.